Hey, this is Raf Mac from Snacks to Mine with cool dinner ideas to impress your friends, family, that neighbor that doesn't wave back. Let's get it. Let's start off with the short since it takes the longest. Here we go. So we got some onions, some ginger, some garlic, a little bit of gochujang right there, some soy sauce, and some sesame oil. Start off, chop up the little onions, break down the garlic, throw them in a little blender cup that I have right here. You could just chop it up if you don't have one, or use a regular blender that's chill. A little bit of ginger, throw a little bit of that light soy in there, maybe half a cup. I'm only using this because I only have a little batch, but you know, double up if you have to. A little bit of that sesame oil, a little bit of added aroma, some gochujang, about a tablespoon for a little bit of spice also. 2 tablespoons of sugar to even out that saltiness. I put it in a blender. I taste it because you gotta taste everything that you're making. Don't be afraid. Taste, taste, taste. Marinate that thing. Massage it, massage it. Season up my hand as well. Everything's seasoned. There you go. And there. Make sure everything is coated. Nice, tossed around to get that even coating. Let that marinate for about 20 minutes, then just throw it in the oven. I'm gonna cover it with some foil, get the oven ready to go about 350. I'm using a little toaster oven because it's just a little thing. Small, easy to use, less electricity. There you go. About 2 hours, depending, just check it every now and again. I'm using baby carrots, as I'll have. You use whatever's inside your fridge. You know, this is just emulate that Chinese restaurant fried rice, you know what I'm saying, with that chopped carrots, a little bit of peas, a little bit of peppers. That's what I'm using. Julienne up some peppers, actually make them small dice. I like everything to be even. The cauliflower rice, actually, I had some laying around, that's why I decided to make this, but it's just, you take a whole cauliflower, you chop it up, you put it in a blender thing, what is it called? RoboCoupe, or you could just grate it, whatever you have on hand, that works, you see? Peas, onions, all that. This is the ingredients for the fried rice. There you go. It's cracking. Let's get it. Then it's about 2 hours. Gonna check out the SHORTRIBS, see if it's soft enough. I've been checking it, but this is, you know, just kind of like leave it there. There you go. Doesn't look quite ready yet. Still needs about maybe another 15-20 minutes. I actually took the lid off, or the foil cover off, so the sauce can actually reduce a little bit more too. Make it more nice and yummy, sticky, sexy, all those adjectives. You know what I'm saying? Throw it back in the oven. Uncovered. That bomb. You can only smell it. It smells good. Fried rice time. Make sure your wok is super hot. It's the worst if it's not. Everything just gets all flaccid. See the onions, gotta keep stirring because it's a hot wok. Make sure everything is moving so nothing burns. There you go. Saute. A little bit of the garlic. So once you put the garlic in, you gotta make sure you move it around fast, because if not, the garlic will burn. Just keep it going. Like a pro. Look at that. The onions are nice and translucent. Ready to go. Just keep sauteing that. Add the carrots in next. Get a little bit firmer, so you know, earlier cooking. Cook more. Carrots nice and sauteed. Nice and soft. I hate like when the carrots super hard still. It's the worst. Nice, so eat it raw. And then you add your peppers, saute like that. If you can do it like that, it's chill. If not, just stir it with a spatula, you'll be fine. Add in the cauliflower. See how it looks like rice. You can just like put it through a food processor or you grate it. You can just chop it up. Got the knife skills for it. Bruce Leroy style. See, now it looks like fried rice. I add a little bit soy sauce for seasonings and also color. That's why. That light soy. So it's not too salty. Control it. Easy to control. That's who we are. Easy, easy, easy. Nothing too complicated. Like Avril Lavigne. You know what I'm saying? You go saute up. Now it's starting to look like fried rice. Essentially, it's just a stir fry, really, like vegetable, but the vegetables got disintegrated, you know. A little bit more salt, pepper, seasoned to taste. That's how I do it. You know, that's why I'm always encouraging people to taste their food when they're cooking it, because they always just taste it at the end, so they can't fix it. You know, it's the worst. Now it looks like fried rice. Add our green peas into this. Green peas, you don't really need to cook them, you just need to heat them through. You know, sesame oil for that fragrance at the end, that note. Those Beethoven notes at the end, you know what I'm saying? That, you don't know where it's coming from. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. That's why. Those are the notes that my mouth is looking for. So keep stirring. That's done. That's it. Boom. Super fast, super easy to make. That's why you do it at the end. You know, cook the ribs first because they take the longest. Plate up time. Take a little bowl. Rice on the bottom. Ribs on top. Sauce on top. Bing bang boom. You know, ready for inhalation. You don't even have to chew it. Everything just like a vacuum. You know, the meat is soft, tender. I like a little sesame seeds at the end for added texture and also flavor, you know. That looks good though. Ready to go. Call it a night. Give some to your neighbor. Don't be mean. Don't be weird. Eat up. Till next time. Peace. Need a Jacques.